Hey, what's up guys? I want to give you a little video about how to use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension properly. So I'm here at junglescout.com and you can see that they have a couple of their different products here. So one of their products is actually the Chrome extension. This is the most vital tool that you guys need to read the numbers and see the data and statistics on different products inside of Amazon. What it really does for you guys is show you something like this when you pull up a product on Amazon. It gives you the average price, the average reviews, the average daily sales for a particular product. And what you do here is judge the amount of reviews by the amount of sales, and then you're able to pick a good product that's not too competitive but still has a lot of high demand. So I'm going to jump over here to Amazon and we're just going to do one of my little simple product research methods and see if we can find some good products using the Chrome extension. So yoga is one of the biggest, broadest categories that so many people have made hundreds of thousands of dollars in before. Now, yoga mats and other generic products like that are going to be way too competitive to get into. So we're going to start by just typing yoga and then use Amazon's suggested keywords to give us more ideas about other yoga products. So on the top of my keyboard, I can just press a W and then we're going to see all of the different W type products that there are that come after the word yoga. So we can see yoga wedge, yoga wheel, and I've never heard of a yoga wheel, and these are just the kind of products that you guys want to be looking into, something that you've maybe never heard about, but maybe it's got a lot of demand on Amazon. So right away I can see some people only have 17 reviews, and you can definitely compete with people when they have under 100 reviews in general for most of the different listings. So over here in the Chrome extension, you see each different name here goes to a different listing. And over here is the brand. One of the biggest things you want to look at under the brand category here is that there isn't just one person dominating the whole thing. So I see Yoga Evo, their brand name only shows up once in the first 15 products here. So that's a really good sign. And it's great to see that there's hardly any other one single brand that is taking up, 5 different listings and just dominating the market. The next thing is really important, guys. It's your average price. $38 is a great price. You can imagine if you go to Alibaba.com and find this yoga wheel for about $7 to $10 a unit, you can go flip it for about $40. And now the most exciting thing that we want to look at here is the revenue and sales, guys. You can see if you hover over the listing name, it actually shows you a picture of what the product looks like. And now over here is where the sales are. You can see that this person right here is making 629 sales a month. So that's an average of 21 sales a day. Now, if you're thinking about profit, even $10 profit at 21 sales a day is already $210 in profit. Their monthly revenue, it shows here on the Chrome extension as well. And I like to look for products that all have over $10,000 in revenue. Now, what I'm looking at for this product is that there starts with $23,000 in revenue per month for this particular seller up here. Now, below it goes down to $16,000, $11,000, $7,000, $5,000, and there's some people with higher revenues here, $10,000. Then it drops off to about $1,000 revenue for everyone else below that. This is what I would call a sales drop-off. Now, when it's something like that, it's not a good product to get because I want to see consistent high demand, high revenue, high sales for every one of the listings here on the first page that I'm looking at. Now, one of the good indicators for this product that may mean there's still hope and this market just has not exploded yet is the fact that I can look at the reviews here, and a lot of people after the first 5 different sellers here have actually some low reviews. So this person here has only 7 reviews and they're making 169 sales a month. I actually like what this guy's doing because he has a 3-pack, a little bundle of this product that's going to differentiate him from a lot of the other sellers here. Another important thing that's not in the Chrome extension itself is just to come down and see how many pages of products there are for this type of product. So I can see that there's only 8 pages here, and I can even come up and say filter by Amazon Prime, because when we're private labeling our product, we're shipping it from overseas into Amazon warehouses. None of this is getting stopped at our house, and Amazon's going to take care of all the work for us. So that may even make it less pages, which I can now see there's only 6 pages. So that would be your real competition. And guys, I do have an Amazon course and it's going to be linked down below. I go over all of this stuff in great detail and how to pick the right product and actually rank yourself up high in the pages. So with only 6 pages of competitors, it's really easy to actually beat out all those pages and show up on page 1 relatively very quickly. Now let's look into this a little bit more. I just want to show you guys the power of what Amazon can actually do. So at Alibaba.com, I'm going to go ahead and type in yoga wheel, as we just found on Amazon, and they're selling it for about $38. And now right here, look at these guys. They're selling from $4 to $16, $3 to $12 for these different yoga wheels, $4 to $17. Now you'll see that there's a big difference there, $4 to $17, because it all depends on how much quantity you buy. If you buy a whole bunch of units, they're obviously going to give you a lower price than if you just buy, 50 units. Then they're going to be charging about $20. But if we come back here one more time, I have one little extension bonus I want to show you. You can click into a listing, and now that we've seen the product price in Alibaba, we can actually find the profit margin for this product right away. So we're going to go here in the FBA fee calculator by AMZ Scout and just type in, we'll just say we can get it with shipping in Amazon for about $15. So it's going to show us our total FBA fee, which is important to note if you're getting your products shipped out of Amazon warehouses. Amazon takes care of all that, the picking, packing, shipping out to your customers, the customer service, handling returns, everything. And they'll do that for this product for $12.72, which leaves you with $13.25 for every sale that you make. Now, if I move myself out of the way here, it shows you that this listing here is estimating about 577 sales a month, which would result in $7,647 in profit for this one seller here right now. Now, this seller has gone to some good lengths to make them differentiated. Number one, they have one of the highest review counts here with 476 reviews. You can also see that they have a number of different colors, giving customers a lot of good selection. But guys, for $41, they're selling this, and you can get it right here from $1.50 to $10.50 for this nice wooden type one. So that's just a quick explanation of how you can use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to its best abilities and using it properly. You want to read those sales versus reviews, number one, to see that there's a lot of demand and not a lot of competition. And then you want to see that there's different brands all over the place and you're not competing against one brand dominator. A lot of times people may think they can go sell socks or hats or clothing or something, but you're going to be competing against big name sellers like Under Armour, Nike, things like that, and it's just so much harder to compete against them when there's so many other great opportunities out there of random products like, lo and behold, a yoga wheel. So guys, with that said, if you're looking to start selling on Amazon, this is going to be the number one tool that you guys do need, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and I will have it linked right down below for you guys to get it. If you do get it through my special referral link, I will get a little kickback, and it's really nice for you guys to support the channel that way. And there's one other thing that you guys can actually do here. Jungle Scout offers a web app, which is really good when coupled with the Chrome extension. This is how you can find products so much faster, all in the right criteria that you're looking for right away. So the layout for the Jungle Scout web app looks something like this. You can highlight all the certain categories that you want to be looking at, number one. Ultimately, this web app filters every product in Amazon to meet the search criteria that you type in here in the filters. So I would put up, baby, beauty and personal care. I would probably leave out electronics because I don't want to be dealing with electronical issues and liability type products. I can just select the categories of products I want to start selling, and then I can come right over here and then type in the price point I want. So I don't want to sell anything under $10 or even under $20, otherwise my profit margins aren't going to be that great. So I'd put in, $30 here and a max price of about $60, and you can type in the estimated sales. This is what's really key because you can filter and save so much time if you say, I want the minimum amount of sales for this particular product to not be lower than 300 sales a month. Then you're going to find products that are all meeting the certain criteria that you're looking for right away. Now keep in mind that a lot of people may be using this software, so think 5 steps ahead of everyone else and think of a way that you can bundle to make your product different and bring a better value than everyone else is that's using the software. That's why I recommend getting an Amazon course, and I will have my course in the first link of the description. And I am running a discount on it going up until October 6th. So I'll leave a promo code for you guys as well. You're going to get a nice steep discount in there. If you're watching this video after October 6th has happened and the coupon has expired, just be on the lookout for others. You may see another discount in the future. So with a course and having a mentor like me who's literally going to give you my phone number and be right there one-on-one hand-holding in touch with you the whole selling process and getting all the information you need, then all you really need, guys, is probably the Jungle Scout web app so you can find products very quickly, and then the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Now I know the web app is $40 a month and the Chrome extension is $97. What I recommend is getting the Chrome extension, get used to it, and then go get the web app for about 1 month and you'll be able to find a plethora of different awesome product opportunities. Just write those all down, and when the month comes up, you don't even need to recontinue your monthly subscription of the web app. So that's a little price saving little tip for you guys, but that's going to do it for me in this video. Thanks for everyone who stayed till the end and watched it all. If you give it a thumbs up, I really appreciate all that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I'm covering all kinds of entrepreneur topics in the Amazon FBA field. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.